Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit rooms, room tags, and room separators. Another useful annotation tool is creating, defining, and tagging rooms in Revit. Once you have walls, Revit recognizes the walls as the boundary of the rooms. However, if you have unclear boundaries, you have to define room boundaries by using room separator first. First, confirm room boundaries. Step 1. Click Room from Architecture tab, under Room and Area panel. Step 2. Hover the mouse over the floor plan to find a closed room. You can confirm the boundaries by clicking Highlight Boundaries. Step 3. Click Close to hide the highlighted boundaries. Second, define boundaries. Step 1. To define boundaries, click Room Separator from Architecture tab, under Room and Area panel. Step 2. Using the Draw tool to draw separated boundaries, then you can manually define boundaries. Third, create rooms. Step 1. Click Room from Architecture tab, under Room and Area panel. Step 2. Hover over each room and click once with the mouse to define the room boundary. You will see a tag that reads Room and AX showing the extent of the room. Continue for each room. Fourth, edit tags. Step 1. Click a room tag, name, 2 times, then you can edit the room name. Click a room tag, number, 2 times. Then you can edit the room number. Note: if the rooms are located on the first floor, the number starts from 101. If the rooms are located on the second floor, the number starts from 201. Step 2. Move the room tags outside of the room to avoid overlapping with model lines and the room names. Select all room tags. Check leader line box. Move the room tags to the outside of the room. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to add and edit rooms, room tags, room separators. Thank you.